So one of the most requested features by our customers at Kernel is the ability to track the behavior drift of my code base over time. Because Kernel understands your baseline behavior of your code, understands when that baseline is updated or evolved, or if there's a regression, we can track that and map that over time for you. And it's incredibly important these days because we are shipping more with AI. It can be hard to keep track of all the changes that AI introduced. Some are good, some are not so good. And over a course of a week or months or a couple of months together, we want to be able to help you visualize and track the performance of that drift in your code base. And so you can see here in the example, I can toggle between different repos. I can see the different services I have outlined here. I can even toggle in between the different types of baseline movements. So for example, in this, we've got a security movement in the identity gateway. So I can see what I've introduced here. I can look at the payload, the request, etc. And if I go back as well, and if I want to track a regression, a most recent regression in the checkout API, I can see that it was a 422, now it's a 500, right, which is causing an issue, an error. And I can track that over time as well as a moving timeline. I think the important part here is how this connects to your processes. So if you're doing a retro, for example, if you see that there was an incident in production, you want to be able to map that to, okay, and pinpoint what was the change that we made that is causing this degradation. And more often than not, changes that you make in production sometimes don't appear overnight. It might appear in a week's time, a couple of months' time. So Kernel gives you that ability to understand what has changed over a timeline and then give you confidence to speak with your engineering team, your SRE team, your security team, and help them understand what changes were made by AI. And you as an engineer are able to track that as well.